Okay, let's have a look at SF Explorer templates. So as you know, Salesforce includes a number of clouds, right? On the number of objects, today there are more than 4,000 objects. So to help you get started with the new cloud, SF Explorer provides some templates. Those are inspired from the well-architected website, which is great. From those templates, you can pick, for example, one cloud. I can pick Service Cloud. And this will give you actual design of all Salesforce intent you the use of these Service Cloud objects, right? So you will see, for example, for Service Cloud, the case object, which is one of the main objects, obviously, for Service Cloud, which relates to knowledge. On you have a case article and so on. So you can actually review this data model, right, for Service Cloud. What's specific with this compared to a traditional tool is this is actually connected to your org, right, within the tool. So as you can see, you can have the number of objects for each of the number of records, sorry, for each of those objects. So here I have 180 cases. On this here, you can see actual relationships to the object. On the either dig into a given object to see, for example, what are the actual records associated to this. Export the fields to Excel, right? So here I'll dig into some of my cases. So that's actually some examples in my org about the cases. I can see the related entities, right, with some child relationship. So there's many child relationship. Something interesting is the JSON schema, right? It can be helpful if you want to provide a documentation to the part of the team. So that's an example for the Service Cloud. Here, if there is something else that you have, like a custom object, it's very easy to add it into your diagram and save it, right? So you can retrieve the custom object from this entity panel, right? So just search for the object and drag and drop the object, or you'll be able to use this and just drag and drop, right? This into and you will see the new object coming. For example, this milestone type, it's not there, right? And I just add it here, and the object is now into the schema. I can just save this, right? And this will be saved into my browser. Obviously, this applies to all many clouds, right? Some clouds that you may or may not have into your org. So for example, if you take the insurance data model, not necessarily available in my org because I don't have these objects yet, right? So they are not even available. Still, the system is able to show me the main fields on how it will look like if I purchase the license. For example, you see insurance policy coverage, it's NA, it means like it's not yet there, it's not available, right? Insurance policy is something I can see, but there is no record. So as I can see it, see it's different experience, it's showing me actual lookup to the things that are in my org, all right? Sometimes you have some additional description here, and you can go on and see how it's intended to be working, like when there is a claim associated to insurance policy and so on. So let's have another look at, for example, a field service. Right, this is the example for field service lighting. So here I have a lot more information, right, into this. So field service, there is a service appointment, work order, and so on. What can be interesting is the legend, right? So you can see from here what is supposed to be configuration, what is specific to the cloud, and what's cool. So that's all for the templates. Thanks, and let us know if you have any questions.